Cities use architecture and urban planning to guide how people move. Wide sidewalks, pedestrian bridges, and designated crossing points prevent chaotic movement and improve traffic flow. Subtle cues like pavement patterns and lighting also direct foot traffic without people realizing it. The psychology of open and closed spaces. Large open plazas encourage people to gather, while narrow walkways push them to keep moving. Train stations and airports use this concept by designing waiting areas that are spacious but have clear paths leading toward exits to prevent congestion. Strategic placement of obstacles. Benches, planters, and bollards are often placed to subtly control where people stand or walk. These objects can prevent loitering in certain areas while encouraging movement toward commercial zones, exits, or specific attractions. Lighting and color as behavioral cues. Bright lighting makes spaces feel safer and encourages people to linger, while dim lighting in certain areas discourages gatherings. Some cities use warm lighting to make spaces feel inviting, while cool lighting creates a sense of urgency. One-way flow and signage. In high-traffic areas like stadiums and festivals, one-way pedestrian routes are implemented to avoid bottlenecks. Clear signage and floor markings subtly nudge people to follow a specific path, ensuring smooth movement. Timed signals and barriers. Traffic lights, timed pedestrian crossings, and temporary barriers help regulate crowd movement. Cities often adjust these systems during peak hours to distribute foot traffic more efficiently and avoid overcrowding in popular areas. Encouraging or discouraging gatherings. Cities use fountains, public seating, and green spaces to encourage people to gather in certain spots. Conversely, sharp slopes, uncomfortable seating, or lack of shade can discourage people from lingering in unwanted locations. Music and ambient noise influence crowd behavior. Upbeat music in shopping centers encourages people to move quickly, while calming sounds in parks or waiting areas promote relaxation. Some places use high-frequency sounds to deter loitering, particularly among younger individuals. Smart technology and crowd analytics. Modern cities use eye-powered cameras and sensors to monitor crowd density in real time. These systems can trigger automated responses, such as opening extra exits or redirecting foot traffic to less crowded routes, optimizing flow without human intervention. Balancing control with public freedom. While these methods help manage crowds, excessive control can make public spaces feel restrictive. Cities must find a balance between guiding movement and maintaining a sense of openness, ensuring public spaces remain accessible and welcoming to all.